Hi guys, good morning. We're now here in Olivares Homes, Southwoods, located in Barangay San Francisco, Binyan, Laguna. So nakikita niyo po, ito po along the highway lang po. At ito yung pinaka main entrance gate po ng subdivision. And this is the guardhouse po. You are secured here because 24/7 po ang security dito. So ang mga house type na itatayo po dito, and actually may mga nakatayo na po and still construction in progress. Unang-una ay yung single detached po na meron pong square meter ranging from 110 square meter hanggang 130 square meter na meron pong floor area na 80.55 square meter. The second one is yung duplex na meron pong 84 hanggang 88 square meter na lot size, and the floor area is 70.85 square meter. And the last one is yung Pearl House model, which is ranging from 60 square meter hanggang 64. Actually, may mga 80 square meter po dito na lot size ng Pearl, which is yung pinaka-townhouse. And ang pinaka-floor area po niya, guys, is 71.20 square meter. So, guys, lahat po ng mga house type dito is complete type turnover. So, ikaw na lang po ang kulang at ang mga furnitures and fixtures na dadalhin mo po sa bahay na ito. So, ayan guys. Napakagandang location po dahil malapit po sa lahat po ng mga establishment like church, mall, school, palengke. So, ayan guys. Sa mga interested buyers dyan na talagang willing to invest, just call my number guys, 0977-3059172, my FB page, Mel Real Estate Service, and my personal FB account, Mel Alminanza. So ayan guys, nakikita nyo, punta po tayo sa pinaka house model po niya. So ayun, makikita nyo, nandyan din po yung basketball court, swimming pool, and multi-purpose hall. So, yan ay ipoprovide po ni developer sa inyo. At talagang existing na yan. Andyan na po, constructed na po yan. So, ikaw na lang po ang hinihintay para ma-enjoy mo po ang mga amenities. So, ayan, nakikita nyo guys. Yan yung pinaka-model house ng Ellie. Ayan po. Ayan guys, ang townhouse naman po na Pearl. So, let's go move pa para makita po natin ang subdivision na ito. So, ayan po ang pinaka-community po ng Olivares Homes, Southwoods. Napakagandang location. Very good investment po. Ayan guys. So, ito yung townhouse na actually may mga reopen units. So, ito yung ipakikita ko sa inyo. Ito yung ready for occupancy na guys, which is yung townhouse. So, pagpasok mo pa lang, ito nang bubungad sa'yo. Ayan. As in, complete type turnover. Wall is painted already. Lahat na po yan, naka-tiles na. Meron na pong kompletong toilet and bath. Yung sink, yung lavatory nila. Wow, guys. This is a very good house type po. So, ayan, hindi ko mabuksan. So, let's see na lang po dito sa other side. So, yan yung pinaka-service area po niya, guys. And this one is your toilet and bath. Ganyan-ganyan guys. Okay? Ground floor pa lang yan. And then sa taas po, another toilet and bath pa rin. So, ayan. Makikita nyo, merong balcony po. Hindi ko mabuksan. But it's okay. Nakita nyo na talagang may balcony yan. So, ito yung sinasabi ko, merong another toilet and bath sa second floor. Ayan guys. This is your first bedroom. Second bedroom. So guys, napakagandang house type po ito. Merong 2 toilet and bath, 1 garage, and may balcony pa po. So ayan, meron ka ng kitchen dyan. ready na po talaga. So, ayan guys, ready for occupancy po yan. Reopen units po tayo. Yan. Maaliwalas po ang lugar na ito. Ayan guys, dito naman po tayo ngayon sa single detached, ang Ellie. So, ayan po. Pagbukas po, ito na po ang bubungad sa inyo, ang living area niya na malawak po talaga. Ayan guys, napaka-elegant po ng pagkaka-design po ng living area na to. Ito yung kitchen area, na ng toilet and bath. So, ganyan-ganyan po talaga. Same nung wala pang mga gamit. Okay. Ayan po. Let's go upstairs. So, another toilet and bath sa second floor. So, ito yung first bedroom. Second bedroom. And the last one, the third bedroom. And this is the best place to unwind, to have a break, and have some coffee. Okay. So, ayan guys. Sa second floor, meron pong 3 bedrooms and 1 toilet and bath. So, let's go down. So, ayan. Ang iyong living area. Your kitchen. Ayan. So, ayan po ang single detached na Ellie model house. O, dito naman po tayo sa amenities po ng Olivares Home Southwoods. So, meron po ditong basketball court. Merong swimming pool na napakalinis po at talagang maintain na maintain po ito. And of course, yung pinaka-multipurpose hall na pwedeng pagdausan ng any occasions po. So, yan yung multipurpose hall. Ayan guys. Sa mga interested buyers, you can easily contact my number 0977-3059172, my FB page, Mel Real Estate Service, and my personal FB account, Mel Alminanza. So guys, let's make your dream home happen here in Olivares Homes Southwoods.